Hey everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about reversing a string. I have assigned a string which is RoboGirl Tinker. We'll be discussing about a couple of methods to reverse the string. Let's start with slicing. For that, you just have to do txt, then square brackets, colon colon minus 1. That's all. The basically syntax is start colon end colon step. So we have assigned step as minus 1. In our case, it will start at the end and it will iterate through till the starting and you will get a reverse string. So let's quickly print this one. Let me just run the script and you can see the string has been reversed. Right. Let's discuss about another method which is reversed. So for that, we'll just declare it a result, then reversed, and you have to pass the text. But reverse method basically returns an object and that will be kind of a list. So you need to join that list. So for that you can use simply this one dot join method from Python, and let's print the result. Let me quickly clear this one and then run again. You can see the string has been reversed. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.